Dear students, in last session I explained the concept of the organizations of the economic activities. It may be classified into the three divisions. First one is the centrally planned economy, and the second one is the market economy, and the third one is mixed economy. In centrally planned economy, entire economic activities are they controlled by the central government or government. The central government or government main intention is social welfare or community welfare. And the second one is market economy or command economy. Entire economic activities are they controlled by the private businessman or private entrepreneurs. The private entrepreneurs main intention is a profit motive or profit maximization. And third concept, mixed economy. It is a golden mixture of the both centrally planned economy and market economy. The government interfere as well as to the private entrepreneurs also to the interfere. Then now I explain positive economics and normative economics. The another one concept in first chapter, the positive economics and normative economics. Is economics is a positive or is economics is a normative? ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕವ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾದರಿಯ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದು. In economic issues on television, economic issues on television or read in newspapers or magazines. Economic issues on television, newspapers. Economic issues on television or read on newspapers or magazines. For example, debate over price control. A discussion over the price control on natural gases. A debate or discussion over price controls on natural gas. Different people's opinion is different way. Some argues these control, or someone people or some argues the price controls discourage the production and encourages the wasteful use of the valuable resources. Some people argues or someone argues that the price control, one more example like the price control. Price control is discourages the production or discourages in that production and encourages is for the wasteful use of the valuable resources. And some other people or some other one argues, and some other one or others support price control is believes that the higher the prices would cause hardship for the consumers in the lower income groups. Higher the prices, that is the hardship of there is a problem to arises in that the low income group of people. It is one type of that economic is a positive or economic is a normative. Then these issues, one of the price control issues, some people argues that the positive way and some people argues that the negative way. Which is the positive and which is the negative. The role of the government or role of the government of the economy, the economics or economics distinguish to the positive economics and normative economics. In positive economics, we study the different issues and problems arising out of the scarcity of resources. In positive economics and normative economics, in positive economics, we study different issues or different problems, different issues and problems arising out of the scarcity of the resources. But in normative economics, ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವು ಒಂದು ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಎನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾದರಿಯ. In positive economics, we study the different issues. We study different issues or different problems arising out of the scarcity of the resources. But in normative economics, tries to find solution to the economic problems. First one is the positive economics to identify the economic problems or the issues to the arising out of the or arising over the scarcity or arising out of that scarcity of the resources. This is one type of that in positive economics. But in normative economics, suppose economics is tries to solve the problems or tries to solution to the economic problems. First of all, what is the meaning of the economic is a positive or economic is a normative? First one is positive economics. Positive economics deals with the scientific explanations of the working of the economy. This is one type of the positive economic is a positive. Some people argue that economics is positive. In positive economics deals with the scientific explanations of the working of the economy. ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯು ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುವ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕವಾಗಿ ವಿವರಿಸುವ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಶಾಖೆಯನ್ನು ವಾಸ್ತವಿಕ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತೇವೆ. Positive economics deals with the explanation, scientific explanations, ಒಂದು ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕ explanations ಅದರ ವಿವರಣೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕವಾಗಿ ವಿವರಿಸುವಂತದ್ದು scientific explanations of the working of the economy. It is concerned with how economy performs in the basic functions of what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce. Positive economics deals with, once again I repeat, positive economics deals with the scientific explanations of the working of the economy. It is scientific explanations. It is scientific explanation or study of that working of the economy. ಇದು ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಕೆಲವು ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ says, or positive economics is concerned with how the economy or how the economy performs the basic functions of the central problems of an economy, the basic functions of the what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. In other words, what is the meaning of that positive economics? In other words, it explains, or positive economics explains how the economy takes decisions about consumption, production, and exchange of the goods. In other words, of the positive economics, it concerns with it explains how economy takes decision about. It is how economy takes about decisions about the consumption, that is the consumer side, and production on the basis of the producers, and exchange, consumption, production, and exchange. Then the positive economics, the study, or the positive economics is the study of what was and what is undergiven by, or undergiven, the set of the circumstances is called positive economics. It is a set of the study of the what was and what is undergiven, the set of the circumstances is called positive economics. It analyzes, or positive economics analyzes every issues of the economics from the positive perspective without personal judgment. This is one type of that. Without personal judgment, then it is a perspective or the explanations or the discussions about the without personal judgment on the basis of the positive perceptions or the positive discussion about the some economic issues. It explains, or positive explains cause and effect of the relationship of economic variables. The cause and positive economics explains that the cause and effects of the some economic cause and effect relationship of the some economic issues or some economic variables. For example, if the taxes on tobacco, just imagine, taxes on tobacco, there will be substantial reduction in the tobacco consumption. Taxes, the government imposes on that tax in tobacco items. Taxes on that tobacco. Taxes on that tobacco is doubled. ತಂಬಾಕಿನ ತೆರಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಡಬಲ್ ದ್ವಿಗುಣಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟೊಬ್ಯಾಕೋ ಈಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ಡ್. There will be substantial reduction or substantial reduces in the consumption of the tobacco items. Another example, if government subsidy to basis of the education is reduced, the government subsidy to basic education is reduced, there will be higher dropout of the among the children of poor families. For example, tobacco taxes is double. That is nothing. The problems arises in that the consumption problems. Consumption is consumer to reduce in the consumption of that tobacco items. And another one example, like the government not encourages for that education. That is, for example, like government subsidy to the higher education is not government subsidy to given by the basic education. Suddenly to the dropout of the enrollment of the children also reduces in that schools, reduces, or there will be higher dropout of the, or a huge dropout among the children of the poor families. One thing is, two example. One is tobacco price, or tobacco price. Tobacco tax is high. And the second one is government subsidy. One example, tobacco price or tobacco tax is high. And second one is tobacco subsidy in basic education or basic education is less. Education is reduces. The two statement input of the two statement is the input of the two example. One thing is tobacco price or tobacco tax is high, and another thing is another example like the basic government subsidy to the reduces in the basic education. In both issues or both these statement, first statement is tobacco tax and second statement is subsidy. Both these statements are capable of the empirical verification. It is one thing of the both statement is the capable to the explanations of that in scientific explanations or scientific way, or the capable to the empirical verification. The empirical verification we can bring out the degree of the truth in these statements. These statements do not pass in value judgment. These statements do not value judgment. Suppose in some economic issues that deals with the scientific explanations of the working of the economy, then the study of the what was and what is under the given the set of the circumstances is called positive economics. Then positive economics is the decision some economic issues or some economy takes decisions about the some economy decisions about the consumption side or production as well as to the exchange of the goods. That is what is and what was is undergiven by the undergiven the set of the what is and what was undergiven set of the circumstances is called as the positive economics. Then tobacco price is tobacco taxes is high. That is one thing, there will be substantial reduction in that tobacco consumption, or substantial reduces in that tobacco consumption, and government subsidy in basic education is reduces the higher dropout among the families or children of the poor families. That is, the problems arises in that poor families. This is one type of the two statement, the empirical verification we can bring about the degree of truth in such statement. That is one of the truths, such empirical evidence or empirical statement. And second concept is economics is a normative. Economics is a normative. Economics is a normative. What is the meaning of that? Economics is a normative. Normative economics is, or normative economics study what ought to be. What ought to be. It is concerned with how the basic functions should be performed. Normative economics. How the basic functions should be performed. Normative economics decides or describes what should be done and what should not be done. Once again I repeat, study. In normal economics studies, what ought to be done. It is concerned with how the basic functions should be performed. Normal economics describes what should be done and what should not be done. ಏನು ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾದರಿ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯು ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ, ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪು, ಯಾವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಯಾವುದು ಕೆಟ್ಟದು ಎಂದು ನೈತಿಕ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ವಿವರಿಸಿ ಹೇಳುವುದನ್ನು ಮಾದರಿ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯು ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ought to be done, or what it is concerned with how the basic function should be performed. ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, perform normal economics, this what should be done and what should not be done. ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. In normal economics describes what should be done and what should not be done. In normal economics, the statements are sometimes called matters of the opinion in the statement of the value. It cannot be tested or proved. For example, government provides, it cannot be tested, it cannot be proved. In normal economics, it cannot be proved, but in positive economics, some economic problems can be tested and solve problems and proved. But positive economic is economic issues can be tested or proved. But in normal economics cannot be tested or cannot be proved. Some economics they cannot be tested or proved. For example, the government should provide basic health care to all citizens. Basic health care on all citizens. It is a normative economic statement. It is a basic health care of the citizens. It is a normative economic statement. There is no way through the whether government should provide health care or not. There is no way. It is whether the health care or not, or whether government should provide health care or not. The role of the government in individuals' life, the role or main intention of the government is in individuals' life is the basic or the basis of the statement, basis of this statement. Then the role of the government should provide. The role of the government in individuals' life is basis of or basis for the statement. The normal economics statement pronounces the value judgment, or suppose it cannot be proved in that valuable judgments. Then economics with advise the government are involved in the normative economics in India, or for example in India, advisors who are appointed by the government are responsible for advising the prime ministers about the economic policies, in which policies are good or which policies are bad. That is one thing of the intention. The government, the prime minister also they appointed by some of the advisory committees or advisory members of the formulations of the policies and rules and regulations. But which policy is good, and it is advisory or advising the prime ministers about the economic policies as to which policies are good and which policies are bad. Then the positive economics describes the one thing what is, and normal economics prescribes what ought to be done. They study, it involves the scientific investigations of the in the positive economics is the scientific investigation of the economic policy, but normal economics cannot be scientific investigation. It is cannot be scientific investigation. It explains what should be and what should not ನಾರ್ಮೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾದರಿ ಅರ್ಥಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್. And next another thing is here in positive economics is study how different mechanisms functions, but in normative economics is here trying to understand whether mechanism are to the desired or whether mechanism some price mechanism is that is whether mechanism is suitable in that situation or not, whether mechanism are desirable or not. These are the concept included in that economic is the positive and normative economics. Then now I explained the concept of the last one more unit is the last one more sub unit, microeconomics and macroeconomics. What is